Welcome back. You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. Today I will show you how to use the primary modes H1, H2 and H3. If you charge your Pg20 via an external power source, such as our power bank, we recommend you to use the H1 mode. If you charge in your car or at home, use either the H2 or H3 mode. These two modes will cool down your Pg20 quicker. Step 1. Connect your Pg20 to a power source and shut it on by pushing the on-off button. Step 2. Now push the set button 3 times. The mode symbol starts flashing. By tapping either the plus or minus button, you can select one of the 3 modes, H1, H2 or H3. Step 3. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and your selected mode will be automatically applied. You're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.